How to use Calendly for beginners. Hi, welcome to another new video. And in this video, we are going to talk about how you can invest your time wisely. So as you can know that time is a privileged thing. So if you lost your time, it means you lost your valuable thing from your life. So here Calendly gives us option to invest your time wisely in your works. So as you can see, we are on our calendly.com interface. So here we need to create our account. If you don't have any account, just click over here, get started option. Just click over here and they will ask you to enter your email address. So you can paste your email here, or you can go with sign up with Google or sign up with Microsoft. So I will go with sign up with Google, and it will take a while and it will redirect you to the Gmail page. So you need to be click your Gmail with Gmail you want to use. So just click over here and again just wait and just click on continue again. Once you click on continue, Calendly will ask for some access. Just give the access. Once you provide your access to Calendly, they will create your account. So here you need to be complete your some step to use their services for you. So here I will choose on my own, and they ask how do you plan to using your Calendly. So here they provide two options. Are you work with your team or you are the only one soldier? So I will click this first option. I am only one, so I will click on next. Then they will provide another option that will be what is your role in your business. So I am a marketer, so I will choose sales or marketing option. So I will go with sales, and then I will click on next again. Then I will have further option that will be you need to be connect your Zoom account, Google account, or you have any other kind of video platform option like Google Teams. This is okay for you, so I will integrate my Google account in my Calendly apps. So then I will click on next. Once I click on next, they will give me option when I start my work. Is it in 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. or you can change it as your wants. Like I start work from 10, so I will choose 10 here, and I end my work in 6 p.m. so I will choose over here, and I am not available in Sunday. So for that reason I will don't check this out. If you want to check this out, just click over here and you can do your thing here. So I don't available in Sunday and Saturday, that's why I will ignore these two options. Just click next, and then they will give you the option where you want to meet with your people. So here you can see we have phone call option, we have in person. It means we can do meeting by staying in a coffee hotel or in a room. So it is totally on kind of a best option, but I will choose Microsoft Teams, Google or Zoom. So now click on continue. Once you click on continue, your Calendly application has been set up perfectly. Actually it's really easy. Once you watch this video, you can easily complete it. So here you can see we have a previous meeting here. So you want to create another one, you need to be click on new event type, but I just want to talk about the apps. Here you can see we have integration and apps option. Just click over here and you will find out lots of options. So you can add PayPal in your Calendly, you can add Stripe, Zoom, and you can also add some other apps like this. So it is really helpful for an individual so have access this kind of option. Then you can show your meeting option by clicking here. You don't have any upcoming meeting, so it will be empty here. If you have any past meeting, they will show you here. So I hope you understand the calendar overall process. So just now I want to create an event for me. So I will click on new event type. Once I click on new event type, they will give me option like you are going to one by one meeting or you are going to meeting with a group. Like here you can invite multiple person. So right now I want to create one option. So I will click over here. Once I click over here, they will be moved to a new page. Here I can give a name, event type name, that will be marketing meeting. That's sales meeting, so I will name this way, and then I will choose the duration. I want a 30-minute meetings, or I want a 60-45, or I can make custom like 2 or 3 hours meeting. Just I will choose 15 minutes, it will be okay for me. Then I will click the ability. So when I want to do the meeting, so here I will click on the pen button and I will say that I just want to do my meeting in Wednesday from 9 to 5 p.m. so it's okay for me, and then I will click on apply to event pages. Once I click over here, my meeting has been completed, so I just need to be complete some further step. For that reason, I need to click on create. In fact, when we click on create, it will be redirect us to this page. Here we can see we have these 4 days like Wednesday 7, 14, 21, 21. In this time we can do our meeting. So after completing this, we will click on save changes. If we want to show more options, click over here and we will find out more further option. You can add your description here, you can give other kind of option if you want, but I don't want anything, so that's why I will click on save changes. Once I click on save changes, the meeting has been saved. For that reason, I will click on share. From this option, I will have this link. I just want to copy this link and then I will share with my colleague or my friend or my student. So also I can copy by this option next to the add thanks to email. Just click here and link copied. And as you can see, if we use this link in our incognito mode, then we can see that we can book our event from that place. So you need to be wait further option, then you can see our date has been come to us, and if we click our meeting will be held on 14 May, then I will be choose this one. If I want to held our meeting in 15, then I will choose this one, and here we can see our availability. So I will available in 1 a.m. then I will click on next. Once I click on next, they will give me a form where we need to be fulfill our name. My name is Mahim, then I will write down my name, then I will give my email, then I will, if I need it, I will give some description here, but I just don't want to add any description, so I will just write something unusual, and then I will click on schedule meeting. Once I click on schedule meeting, our schedule has been appointed in our Calendly. And once I completed this meeting option, I will get email in my Gmail account. As you can see, once I click on Gmail, you can see we already get an email to our mail account, and here you can see our host or our applicant name Mahim, email name, and also we get the questions answer, and now it's really okay, and we can hold our meeting on Google Team, Zoom, wherever we want. So here you can see our Zoom meeting has been done. So it is really easy process. As a individual, it will help you to make your time more productive, and it will reduce your hassle. So here you don't need to ask someone like are you available in this time or in this time. We can hold our appointment, we can talk about our topic, we can do whatever we want. Just here you need to be share your meeting time. They will choose their time whenever they free and whenever they feel to attend the meeting. So it's make your process really simple and easy. So with this option or with this calendly.com, you make your investment perfectly. Time is a great investment. So if you invest your time in dummy work, it makes your life like a hell. So Calendly is a perfect option to invest your time wisely in your work, and it also make you more productive in your working form. So I will suggest you use calendly.com for your all kind of meetings. So here it will help you for more grow as an individual or as a team, and it will help you make you more productive in your work. So I hope you love this video and you already understand how you are going to use your calendly.com. Here you have lots of options. If you purchase their premium plan, it will help you more to get more access and more plan or more plugin to your calendly.com. So I will suggest you just go with the free plan right now. Once you find out that Calendly is helpful for you or it is like associated with your business, then purchase their premium plan. So right now I will suggest to go with free plan. And just I want to say you that if you find out this video is really helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel for further new video. And till then, have a good day.